Hello there, Mr. Boom here and welcome to FX Billionaire Hub. And in this video, we're gonna analyze the market for next full week. That means next Monday to Friday, and we have a lot of thing to calculate, and we have a lot of thing to update that market will do in next week. So let's start. And as per our trading style, we always start our analyzing with high time frame to detect the market direction, and then we will find out our entry or key zone in daily time frame or H1 or H4 time frame. Okay, and before we start, as per you know that I always start with technical, I will always start with fundamental thing, and then we will dive into technical thing. Okay, and let talk about the fundamental thing. And before we start talking about the where, we need to talk about some few things. Last week it got US bond news, that related of news, and that described that they just allow to print more money. Okay, and to print more money, okay, print money to print more money, that means inflation already comes in United dollar. That's why we are going to show a bullish momentum of gold. And number two is the where issue in Middle East, that means Iran and US where. And due to US and Iran where, investors are found gold as a safe haven. Okay, so that's why they are investing more in gold, because as per you know that from my fundamental analysis, we always told that gold value is always constant and currency value is fluctuating. That means currency value is a variable, that means ups, it can be up or down. Okay, so number one, you have to keep your concern. It was just printing money, that's why there is more inflation. That means inflation in United States dollar. If inflation rise in United States dollar, gold will also rise. Okay, and as per I said before, if United States dollar lose its strength, that means if United States dollar get weaker, gold will stronger than previous. This is the thing. So as per that thing, gold is rising up currently. And number two is where is running right now. There is no conclusion to stop the where, or there is no agreement on stop the where. So that's why there is more tension rising day by day. Seems it will be like Russia and Ukraine where, okay, it will run a long time ago. So we have to keep our concern on that, and investors are thinking about that. That's why they are buying gold a lot. That's why gold price is going also up. Okay, that is the fundamental thing. And let's dive into technical thing now. And as per consider, I already selected weekly time frame, and as per our weekly trend line analysis, we already got a breakout over there, and we already got another bullish breakout over there due to US treasury bond news. And if I especially want to go for daily time frame to make this analysis perfect, or to check out the market trend or market momentum, and as per you can see there, if I want to draw a trend line, we got a broken trend line over there. Okay, over there, as per you can see, we got a broken trend line over there, and market just follows this trend line a long time ago, there and there, and there is our breakout, and we got direct breakout after the previous week news, and market is continuing the rally. And if I especially want to talk about the support area or support zone, as per you can see there, our strong support zone was in that particular area. I already told that if gold give us a breakout from this particular zone, we will see a long bearish momentum, but it unable to give us a breakout from the bearish side. We got a breakout from bullish side, and we can expect that gold is ready to move near around more 2 to 3,000 pips. Okay, and let's check what can be happen for the next, and let's get back into our H4 analysis to find out our market direction or proper entry. And if I especially want to talk about H4 time frame, and as per you can see there, okay, let's remove all of previous drawing to make this chart cleaner. As per you can see, if I want to draw a trend line over there, that means there to there. Okay, seems perfect now. And we got another trend line, that means downside trend line from that particular area. Okay, so that is the thing market. As you can see there we got a resistance support trend line area over there, and again here we got a broken trend line, and each and every time market just following this trend line, and there we got finally a breakout, and we are waiting for another pullback there, then we can continue buying from this particular zone. That means what will be our thing? Our thing is for long term, we will wait for a pullback near this particular area. That means 4523 or 45124540, that particular area. We will find out the exact area. Let's wait, and we will wait for this particular area, and then we can continue buying based on candle confirmation. Also, we have to follow fundamental things. And why I am just define that or defining that would be our buy area. So let's check for more confirmation. As per you consider, we got a support area from this particular area. That means we got confirmation from trend line, we got confirmation from support zone, and there is our buy area. And if I especially want to show you the Fibonacci retracement area, and that means if I want to show you the Fibo confirmation area or Fibo confirmation zone, then we can find out that more perfectly. As per you can see there, if I want to draw that more perfectly, as per you can see there, our Fibo 38.2 zone is near around that particular area. That means we can wait till that particular area to form a buy candle, or to ensure that market will go buy from that particular area, then we can continue buying. And you may ask me, Mr. Boom, where we can take our profit. Okay, if you take buy entry over there, suppose in that particular area or that particular area, we will wait for a candle confirmation to go by, like pin bar confirmation or engulfing confirmation, then we can continue buying from there, and our SL will be in that particular area. Suppose your SL is 200 pips for long trade, your TP will be 600 pips over there. Okay, because of 1:3 risk to reward ratio. So you have to must follow risk to reward ratio, then you can continue buying or you can continue selling. And if you want to take 100 pips SL, you must have to consider 300 pips TP. Okay, over there. That is the thing, and that is the strategy what you can do for now, or what you can do for next week or next week momentum. And one more thing, no buy or sell entry for now, or no ensure or no sure buy or sell entry right now. We will wait for the market open, then we will wait for the candle confirmation in that particular zone or area, then we can continue buying. You must ask, Mr. Boom, what kind of candle confirmation? As per you can see there is buy confirmation, we got there is buy confirmation, there is another engulfing buy confirmation, then we can continue buying. As you can see there is also we got buy confirmation, there is also we got buy confirmation, there is also buy confirmation. Every candle says they are ready to go buy, so you have to wait till that particular area, then we will decide market will go buy or sell, either buy or neither sell. So we have to wait till the market open, then we can continue buying. And fundamental and technical thing both are saying market will go buy. That is the thing for now, and that is the analysis for the next week. And I hope all things clear now. For more query or for free signal or to contact us, you may join our public Telegram channel, link in the video description box. There we are sharing a lot of analysis and fundamental and technical things, also daily 1 or 2 free signal that you trade easily. And if you want to contact me, you can join our Telegram channel, then you can contact us. We posted our personal ID or personal Telegram inbox link. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out. Happy trading. Have a nice day.